Hi, this is Andy from Make Me a DJ. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do some really easy, cool groove patterns with M4L's Step Sequencer. First thing that we're going to want to do is insert a new MIDI track. And once we've done that, we can go over to our drums section and type in the 909. You can pick whatever kit that you'd like. Then from here, we want to go over to the M4L tab and type in Step Sequencer. Then we'll go to the note section. Make sure all the notes are the same note, so then they trigger the same sample. Now we go to the velocity section, hit randomize, and keep randomizing it until you find a pattern that you like. You can get some really cool grooves out of this. So we can make polyrhythms out of it as well. It's pretty cool. A lot of flexibility. And this is what it sounds like as a whole.